Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Xiaomi Redmi Watch 5. Now this is the latest smartwatch from Xiaomi that you can buy from Jarir bookstore in Saudi Arabia for 399 Saudi Riyals. And the color that I got here, it is in black, and you can also get this in silver and beige. So let me quickly unbox this and show you all of its features. We got a 2.1 inches display with always on display, 60 Hz refresh rate, pixel density is 324 ppi. We also got a HyperOS platform, and the internal memory is 164 MB, which is kind of low, but still in this price range, guys, I'm not complaining. So let's see if it can compete with the Apple Watch Series 10. And on the box, as you can see, we have the model number, and also we got information for the battery as well. 550 milliamps of battery, which they are claiming it can last up to 25 days almost without the always on display, which is quite amazing, guys, in my opinion. So let me just quickly unbox this and show you what's inside the box. I believe that it can last up to 1 month, so I'm going to have to test that as well. So here as you can see, inside the box we got our watch, which looks really nice. And inside this package we have our charging cable. Here is the charging cable, and we got our user manual, which we actually don't need. It's really easy to pair these watches. So yeah, these are the things that we get inside the box. So let me just quickly peel the plastic. It's really well protected, as you can see on the strap as well. We have a plastic, so let me remove it. And on the back, as you can see, and so far the build quality is looking really nice, guys. So let me just quickly peel this plastic off as well, and from the top as well. So here is our watch. Looks really nice, and on the front we have 2.1 inches AMOLED display. On the right hand side we have rotating crown key, speaker grill, microphone, and on the left we have nothing, as you can see. On the back we have our heart rate sensor and Redmi logo. We have charging pins as well. So let me just quickly turn this on, and it's really easy to change the straps, but you have to push a little bit harder if you want to insert the strap. So let me just quickly turn on the watch, and here, as you can see, we got an animation boot logo. It turns on really fast, guys. So let me just quickly select language, and you have to download Mi Fitness application. So let's quickly do that and search for Mi Fitness. I'm gonna be using this watch with my iPhone, guys. So for the video purposes only, I am pairing it with my Android device right now, which is my secondary phone, CMF nothing phone 1. So the features are going to be very similar, so you don't miss anything if you pair it with your iOS device. So let's add the device and click on allow. As you can see, we have Redmi Watch 5. So let me quickly turn down the brightness so you can see. So guys, you need to create an account for Xiaomi and to be able to pair this watch. So if you already don't have any account, you can create one, so you can easily pair with the watch. So let me just quickly click on next, and you can also select the layout in the application as well. So it's now currently showing you. If you want to see the tutorial, you can also view that. So here, as you can see, we have widgets. On the left we have quick settings. So let's just skip this tutorial, and let me just quickly skip this. And as you can see, we have our Redmi watch is now ready to use. So here, as you can see, check the smoothness, guys, and the rotating crown key feedback looks very similar to the Apple Watch series, and the touchscreen is also really nice. If we swipe from the bottom, you get your widgets as well. Let me just first quickly go into settings. You can also pair your earphones as well. Now let's quickly go into display, and we have auto brightness feature, which is really nice to see. We have raise to wake feature as well. So let's click all day. and we have always on display. So we have these options that you can choose from. So let me just quickly select smart. It will drain the battery life, but you can get 11 days of battery life with always on display on, which is also remarkable in my opinion. We also have double tap to wake, which is a really nice feature. They should bring this feature in all of the smartwatches. So in Huawei Watch Fit 3, it does not come with this feature, which is quite annoying in my opinion. And but guys, honestly, in Redmi Watch 5, these are the amazing features that you get with this watch. So as you can see, on the left hand side we have quick settings. If you swipe from the top, you get notifications. If you swipe from the bottom, it goes into the widgets menu. So let's see the watch faces. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So here, as you can see, we can only change the colors, but we cannot change the font size, which is okay in my opinion. It's not a big deal. So here, as you can see, and let me just quickly show you the bezel, guys. Look at the bezel, guys. It's one of the thinnest bezels that Xiaomi has made, and it's compared to the Huawei Watch Fit 3, it's also very thin, and the display looks amazing, guys, in my opinion. So here is over always on display, and as you can see, the bezel size, I'm really impressed by the bezel and screen size, guys. 2.1 inches looks really good, and you can also change the layout as well. So here is another menu style that you can choose from. And the rotating crown key is also really nice to navigate. It gives you a really nice haptic feedback, which is very similar to the Apple Watch series. And yeah, let's try another layout, list view. And here is over list view. Check the smoothness, guys. I mean, in this price range, you get this type of smartwatch, which is very fast and smooth. I'm really impressed. So these are the applications that we get. We have SpO2, heart rate sensor, stress test. We have sleep tracking as well. So let me go into settings and show you the model name. Redmi Watch 5, and it's running on HyperOS. So you also get a firmware update, but I didn't update it. So I will update it and show you in the next video. Here's the phone application. You can also make phone calls and receive phone calls because we have a speaker in this watch. And you can also download a lot of watch faces in the application, which I'm gonna show you right now. So let me just quickly grab my phone, and let's go back into Mi Fitness application. So let me just first quickly show you another watch face. These are the stock watch faces that you get, and you can also edit these watch faces. The display quality looks stunning in my opinion. The image looks really sharp. Let me know in the comments down below if you also agree with me. So here is another watch face. The bezel looks really thin compared to the other watches that we get from Huawei. So let's select a watch face. This one also looks really nice. So we do not get any animation watch faces, which is quite disappointing because I believe the processor is not that powerful. I'm not 100% sure, but we do not get any animated watch faces, which is quite disappointing. But happens with the cheap smartwatches. So anyway, it's not a big deal if you are used to the simple watch faces. But still, guys, honestly, the watch is really fast in my opinion. The good thing is that all of the watch faces are completely free, so you don't have to pay for a watch face, which is a really great feature in my opinion. So here are the widgets, as you can see. If you open up the widgets panel, it looks a little bit sluggish, but not that much. So here is our settings menu, quick settings toggle. And yeah, we get auto brightness feature, which is also amazing, guys. So you don't have to adjust the brightness every time if you go out. So here are the watch faces that you can download for free. And let's quickly just download a watch face, and it downloads really fast, guys, as well, as you can see. in few seconds you can apply the watch face, which is also quite nice to see. So this one looks really nice as well. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this watch face. And if you are liking this video guys, please click on that like button. It really helps the channel a lot. And comment down below as well. So let's select another watch face and check the speed guys. Really amazing. So yeah, the display quality looks amazing because of AMOLED display. Here is another watch face. Let's try this one. And you get a different type of theme in some of the watch faces for always on display. And for some watch faces there is a stock always on display that you can choose from. So we have almost 6 themes of always on display, because some of the watch faces does not come with their proprietary always on display theme. For example, this watch face does not have always on display theme, but some of the watch faces comes with their own always on display theme. So here, as you can see, we have a lot of watch faces, which is quite nice to see. So yeah, tons of watch faces you can download from Mi Fitness application. And you don't have to pay for the watch faces. You can also customize and select your own watch face. You can change the font color as well and position of time and date. So these are the themes that you can choose from, and you can select your own background. So yeah guys, overall a really nice watch. Also, raise to wake feature is working really well in this smartwatch. I don't have a single issue regarding raise to wake feature. So it works every time. The watch is also really fast. I 100% recommend you to purchase this watch guys in 2025. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this video. Click on that like button, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my video guys. Allah Hafiz.